Well, we never shot a rundown of what we have planned to do today, so let's just get into it. You need to probably put your bumper cover up here and see exactly where it needs to go. It's going to be a lot of camera shake today.
Yeah.
Before it gets too high. Hurry up.
Doesn't fit.
We put it in there before. Maybe we didn't.
Turn it. There. Turn around that way.
I think it's the same. Welds off the back of that though. How high you want it? You want to go top post? It's easier to find connectors and stuff for top post. Plus, if your bumper might be kind of close here, it might be easier to work on it.
Yeah, I'd say probably about right there is good, but I'd pull it back a little bit.
Hold on. Okay. Jack might be in the way. Actually, it's got just a little bit of clearance right there. Is this jack holding it at all? It's against the jack.
Is it against the jack?
It's not touching the jack. It's only about this far from the corner of the bracket right here. So that's probably about where you want it.
Yeah, that looks good to me.
Pop the bumper off, we can trace it with a Sharpie and then just do whatever work we want to get it to mount.
Yeah, that actually looks, not that it matters what it looks like, but
it's going to work well.
It's going to work well.
like this. Can't for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, don't play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. Can't for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, can't play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. I'm on my job, I get it done, but you should know that. Shine like a sun, a 101, you should know that. I get the front and in the back, you should know that. No need to stun, it's never cap, you should know that. All I know, 10 toes, never fold, bang roll, on the go, ice wall, ice wall, ice wall. Can't for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, can't play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. Can't for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, can't play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. I miss my baby, so I hit them on the FaceTime. I need it all for them, so no, I cannot waste time. Facing these oceans, feel the water on my waistline. We trust the process and my only know it take time. You can get it, got no worries, I'm gon' make mine. Going global, I'ma get it out the state lines. Paying taxes at a more than what you make now. Different bracket, eating no.
Finish the battery thing.
Check out this battery tray we put in.
Awesome, and it's sturdy.
Stand on it. It's not
I
a battery,
thought about it, but I think it's hard to tip.
It's not gonna tip over.
You don't think so?
No.
I ain't standing on it.
Okay.
But I think it turned out well.
Yeah, pretty nice. We painted it. It's kind of pretty.
Kind of pretty.
Put the engine back in.
Painted the engine bay. Engine is back in.
We took the turbo off
It's
because
sitting under.
we're going to move where it's mounted. There it is.
Hopefully that one won't be going back on.
Yeah, it will.
Yeah, well, because I broke.
I feel like we did something else. Did we do something else? We didn't do very much today.
Didn't do much today. Cut off my shift indicator.
Yeah, the welding wire, buzz-o-matic.
You had the intercooler over here for something.
Yeah, to make sure that it cleared the battery. Battery tray clears the bumper by about 1/4 of an inch, so pretty nice way it turned out.
So engine's back in, just bolted in there. Battery tray's done. We were kind of hoping the fuel cell was going to show up, and didn't.
Yeah, no fuel cell yet. It'll probably come in tomorrow, just in time to not be able to use it. So next step, are we gonna wire next, or are you gonna worry about the turbo placement next?
No, wiring is not going to come yet. I'd like to get the cradle, the subframe cleaned up.
Oh, okay.
Painted, get it back in, kind of get the car as a roller again.
Yeah, I mean it's a roller now, sorta.
Yeah, it's a lot easier to move around right now.
It's pretty nice. We can I mean, even once everything's on it, we can leave it on that cart.
Yeah. I mean, we're in the putting back together building stage. So,
Yeah,
I mean,
finally.
Yeah, every time we do something, it'll be one step closer.
So, cradle, front suspension, you just gonna put the coilovers for the rear back on?
Yeah, I'm just gonna put all that back on.
Alright, put the suspension all back together.
Probably won't put wheels or anything on it yet. I still gotta run fuel lines. I do have to run fuel lines, brake lines.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just a bunch of little stuff. I think the biggest thing now is just the turbo.
Yeah, moving the turbo, and your intercooler piping is still going to work with putting that there, or are we going to have to change some of that?
Well, we're gonna have to change some.
Okay.
We're gonna change all of that, but I've got plenty.
Got plenty of pipe and stuff. Is it aluminum?
It's very thin aluminum, yeah.
So we're going to have to figure out how to weld aluminum?
Yeah. I'll see if I can borrow a buddy of mine's TIG welder. We're gonna learn to TIG
We're going to
weld.
learn how to TIG. Now that'll be fun to watch. So, next step, cradle, front suspension, put the rear suspension back on, and then imagine we'll probably do the exhaust after that, get the turbo mounted where we want it, get the pipes made to come out the hood.
Yeah, and if the turbo relocation ends up being too much of a pain in the butt, we'll just throw it back on the back.
Yeah, we can always do that.
Just for time being. we're kind of running out of time, like you keep complaining to me about. We gotta go, we gotta get it done, we gotta get over here and work on it.
Yeah, I told you. It'll be fine, it'll be fine. Here we are. I mean, we're not terribly far away from it.
2 weeks into February. Tracks, I think, open, well, nicer states with warmer weather, they're probably already open.
Oh, yeah. They just done already won a race in Ruby this year.
Yeah, around here, probably March. If somebody buys Havana, they're gonna be open probably late March.
So, off month,
Yeah. So
which is only 4 weeks.
We may just scratch the whole putting the turbo somewhere else and just make that a different plan for
next year.
Yeah.
When you have some money built up and you can buy a different turbo and more pipe, and hopefully we can have a better welder by then. I've got one picked out.
Or better at welding.
Both. I want to TIG. It'll be a lot nicer quality and easier. It's just not easier. It takes a lot of skill, but you can do a lot more with it, and it's only one piece of equipment. You can be a lot more precise. I guess that's what I'm trying to get at. You can make a product look exactly how you want.
You gotta run it.
I think that's it for today. Thanks for hanging out with us, and we'll see you next time. Hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, share this video, let your friends know what we're doing. We're really excited to see this car come along. While you're here, check out some of our other videos. We appreciate you watching. Thanks for hanging out with us. See you later.